This is Barnestorm training for the task of entering a temporary medication like an antibiotic. To get started, you want to make sure that you've selected a patient, and if you look at the top of the screen, this is a good way to check to see that you have selected the correct patient. From here, you can enter a new medication from the Review Med screen from your visit note, or you can click on the Med History button on your main menu, and both of these options will bring up this screen here. Now you want to click on the Add Medicine button, and this will bring up the Add Edit Medicine screen. At the top of the screen, there is a blank highlighted in yellow, and in this area you can just start typing in the medication that you need. And this will bring up a list of the medications with those letters in the name. And then you can just click on the medicine that you need. Once the medicine has been selected, you can indicate the effective date. By default, this will appear as today's date. You will need to change the date to make sure that it matches the date that is on the prescription bottle. And to do that, you can click on the arrow beside the date, and this will bring up a calendar, and just click on the date that is on the bottle. Next, check that the doctor indicated matches the doctor who prescribed the medication. If the doctor does not match, clear the doctor's name and type the first 3 letters of the last name, and this will bring up a list of all the doctor's names with those letters in it, and you just select the doctor that you need. The Med Builder offers a quick and easy way to indicate dose frequency and route with very little typing. In this case, I want 1 tablet twice a day by mouth. What I'm going to do is under dosage, I'm going to type in 1 and click on units. I'm going to click for frequency, BID for twice a day. And for route, I'm going to click on PO for by mouth. Under special instructions, you can indicate that the medication should be taken with food. And now, once I've indicated everything that I need here, you click on the Build Dose Frequency Route button at the bottom of the screen. And this button translates your selection into text, which makes entering those items much faster. Keep in mind that you can toggle back and forth between the Med Builder and the text simply by clicking the box beside Show Hide Med Builder. So if you need to add additional details that are not available on the Med Builder, you may simply type them in the text area here. If the antibiotic is a different number of pills each day, then you will need to type that in here, like this. And this will indicate all the different number of pills for the days. When the dosage is correct, you simply go up to the top of the screen and click on the Save and Exit button in the upper right corner. This temporary medication will show up, still selected, with the dose indicated. Click the Add New Dose Frequency Route button at the top of the screen. And now you can change the date to the date that the medication will stop. This date can be in the future. Then you want to go ahead and click the Discontinue Stop Med. This will take you back to the main screen. If the stop date is in the future, the med will show up on the list with the initial entry and a stop entry that indicates the discontinuation. If the stop date is in the past, the medication will no longer be on the list of active meds. You can simply click on the Show All Meds button at the top of the screen to see all medications, including those that have been discontinued. For additional instructions on adding medications, click on the Help button located on the main menu at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the Patient History and Med History on the Help screen, and this will give you a list of articles with how-to instructions for medications. Click the article you want to see instructions for, and when you are done with this article, simply right-click the article and click on the Back button, and this will bring you back to the list. If you don't see the article you want, go down to the bottom of the list and click on the Find More Answers Here, and you will see more articles on this topic. If you click an article here on the knowledge base site, you have some options. If you scroll down, your options are you can email the article, print the article, bookmark the article, and you can export as a PDF, which will save on your computer. And this concludes our training on adding a temporary medication.